Hello and welcome to another update video about Ether. So yeah, Ethereum continues to hold support at the moment, actually avoided to make another low yesterday. And it's possible that now this C wave to the upside has started. It's of course a little early to confirm that. But the idea is still that, by the way, in the last video I showed you the daily chart for anybody who would like to see a little bit more context, but I did that in the last video, so no need to do that again. But feel free to check out my last video if you're interested to see a little bit more context. So basically two scenarios here. In the first scenario, we completed a larger degree wave 2 correction on the 3rd of January. And the market since then moved up in three waves. 1, 2, by the way, this has to be a diagonal pattern, it's not an impulse. Wave 3, wave 4. Yeah, and as long as we're holding this support zone, basically key support is 2,361, then a fifth wave should still happen. And the ideal target range that I've got at the moment is between 2,764 and 2,839. That might change a little bit, but I think it works quite well. Yeah, and after that, this would then be another wave 1, leading diagonal, and a wave 2 happens afterwards. Okay, and then we have a third of a third wave. In this scenario, the fifth wave is an ABC structure, and so is the third, so is the first. So A wave, B wave, possible C wave higher. This would be ideal. To keep this scenario alive, the $2,458 level needs to hold, basically the swing low that formed on Friday. Even if we break that, I mean, it's possible that we still reset wave 4 a little lower. Okay, so again, 2,361 is for me the key scenario support here. Below that support level or below that level, another scenario has to come into play. In that alternative scenario, we don't even need to go down much further. It takes a little bit of a zoom out to confirm this scenario or to explain it. In this scenario, this wave 2 that presumably finished on what was it? On Wednesday, the 3rd, yeah, probably never finished. And the move down initially from the 9th of December high is an A wave. Then we have an overshooting B wave, and the C wave down would be unfolding right now. The thing is, because of this overshooting B wave, the C wave might not go below the A wave low. The wave B is extremely high. I can count it as a B wave because the move up is only in three waves. And basically, well, the B wave would be a WXY. And the C wave of this wave 2, basically this wave 2 from the 3rd of January would just be reset over here. But it might not make a lower low. So it might just make a marginally lower low below the, below the support area, but not below the current wave 2. And not below the A wave. It's always the case when a B wave overshoots, we have to consider that. Yeah. Because if we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, then the C wave would be possibly targeting the $2,200 area. So that's the 1.618 extension level. Yeah. So this is sort of what I see as a potential target. Now, of course, there is no confirmed low until we see a first impulse back to the upside. But first of all, we focus on the immediate scenario anyway. So the white count is the primary. Yellow for now is alternative. And for now, it seems as if Ether might want to push higher in this C wave and the white C wave of wave 5. And this would be further confirmed with a break above this A wave high, which formed on Sunday at $2,590. This is also next micro resistance. So if that level is taken out, this would further confirm that we are moving up in wave C. And really, it needs to take the price above 2,715 to at least form a fifth wave. But would be nice if we get sort of into this target area up there. That would give us a somewhat reliable fifth wave. Bear in mind that ABC structures can always turn into larger ABCs, but for now, let's see if wave 5 has already started. Looks good at the moment, and ETH continues to perform well compared to Bitcoin at the moment. Yeah, so that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.